Bijoy?
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming here and taking time to see us. Yun nga, despite the weather, no? So, salamat sa effort. Salamat po.
Direct FM!
Hello, good evening. As always, thank you to our friends from the press and our famous vloggers who is helping us a lot to push for Filipino material.
Thanks, Direct. And of course, Gerald Anderson.
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Of course, maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta. At ayun, first of all, thank you sa support na pinibigay niyan. Sana po ay tuloy niyo po kami suporta hanggang dulo. And this will be our second half of the story, which I can promise po sa inyo lahat, mas exciting and mas pagpunta.
Hindi ka sure sa second half, baka mga second quarter, or 2/5, or 2/6, you know, we don't know. But, you know, a project na ganito kalaki is, you know, it takes a village, right? And we would like to acknowledge yung ating creatives. Our creative manager, Dindo Perez, our head writer, Senon Palomares, and our writers, Jan Mendoza and Shania Bonzel Opena. They're here. Okay, simulan na natin ang Q&A. Kamusta ang Season 1? How would you assess it? Direk Abel, ikaw na siguro magkwento. How challenging, how exciting, how fun making or directing Season 1?
Okay, Season 1, kasi pumapasok ako sometime July. So, I was able to shoot like mga 6 days na so far. At nakita ko more than usual na nagagawa ko sa mga ibang teleserye. But hindi ako nahirapang makikay at makijay at sumabay dun sa flow ng team ng JRB latest project na Season of Father. Thankful ako especially sa casting also dahil professional. Ngayon si Jay after 10 years, siguro more than 10 years na nakasama kasi the last time was tayong dalawa pa. So nakita ko siya kung parang evolve yung passion niya before and ngayon yung iba yung commitment niya. Sobrang ang laki ng tinalon, ang laki ng binago and even, I'm sure tatanong niya but
marami pa rin ito actually.
Thankful ako, especially because really not naging part of it.
Right. Bijoy, how was it? Season 1?
Challenging, pero exciting at the same time. Kasi para, I think, sobrang iba yung suspense genre. So, it's a very good build naman na parang maganda yung tulad nga sa ating Direct Abel naka-ride sa team kasi nga very supportive to each other. Saka maganda po yung story talaga kaya inspired ko din.
Jay, paano ka na-convince to sit on the director's chair and be one of the directors of your series?
Well, nag-uusap lang kami nila Miss JRB and the creative team. May na-present sila sa akin na 1 versus 100 na eksena na parang malalagay si Samuel, yung character na si isang sitwasyon na gano'n. And then I was also giving my inputs na pwede ganito, pwede ganyan. And that's the beauty of this team kasi talagang very collaborative sila. And oh my God, it's really a teamwork. Kaya po, ganito po yung kalabasan ng show namin is I would like to say quality because it's not just one person or just it's a team. And so during that process, binanggitan po ni Miss JRB na gusto mo i-direct mo yung eksena niya. And honestly, sabi ko, wow, that would be an honor talaga, privilege. Siyempre kinabahan konti kasi medyo naka-spot din ako, but the fact that she had that trust in me, parang it gave me the confidence na parang sige, dapat. And our directors were very gracious and I was asking questions nga about paano pag-over the shoulder shots, mga direct and yung support po nila Direct Avera, Direct Joy is, I wouldn't have done it without yung gracious, with the grace at the support na binigay sa amin. And even with the cast members. My first scene was actually si JC at si LA. Mapapanood niyo po yan nung pumasok sila sa building. That was my first ever scene with the director. I said thank you also to them because it's one for the books. It was my first ever scene. Tapos yung production design namin, yung producers namin, yung cameraman namin, DOP namin, si Direk Mark. Amazing. Hindi ko talaga magagawa to kung hindi nyo dahil sa
And of course, Direct FM. Direct, you've been in the series since its inception. Simulang-simula, kamusta yung naging takbo ng Season 1 and what can we look forward to sa Season 2?
Okay.
Ang loaded na question ka nila kasi, tsaka na.
Hindi kasi, it's considered a high concept. Ang hirap mong ipapaliwanag sa tao yung the nitty-gritty part of the scene. You ask yourself, will they be interested about it? It's highly digital. Maraming mga computer word, yung computer lingo, na paano nila sasakyan? Pag hindi mo pinaliwanag, hindi matutuloy yung kwento.
Tama.
But the pressing issue is, it's one of the biggest sickness that's destroying a lot of our countrymen's lives. Yung namamag-asa na kikita ng konti would either invest or gamble on it and they lose everything. Hindi naman kanila sa inyo sa araw-araw hindi sa social media yan ang nakakalungkot, no? Good if it were a fair game. May chance talaga na makaakot.
Tama.
But the sad part is, isa siyang malaking lokohan. And while it's a high concept KRD Productions, it was brave enough to gamble on it. The gracious thing is, you see, ang hirap ngayon kumanap ng consistent na viewership.
That's true.
With the advent of different platforms, hindi ka makakuha ng loyal viewership from free TV to whether in YouTube or what. Kasi kaya din ang nanood, kaya din ang oras. And the nicer part is, in the middle of the show, and it's run, and as we end our first book, it's enjoying a very good position in some OTTs where it's considered #1. So I think the creative team was very successful in writing and making it more understandable for people.
Saka,
achievement as a person.
habang nagkukwento ka, Direk, pumapasok sa isip ko, ang daming yung kinds of scams na di-discuss. Hindi yung parang isang linear na na problema lang, Direk.
Oh, when we were, later on, mag-iikot po kayo sa mga sets. Ginastosan talaga ng production. So, at one time, I was explaining to them as we were starting this work, there was one talent who raised his hand.
Okay.
Ngayon, hindi ko natatanong, kung natatandaan niyo po yung nahuli na pogo sa somewhere in the west part of our country na magkapagod ng probinsya. Kasama siya sa mga nahuli. Sabi niya, marami po yung scam na yan, may love scam, may kung ano rin natin yan.
Iba-iba.
Oo. And yung, alam mo, ito na kulong first hand compared to sa research namin mga director, research to creative, na nagsasabi mo, itong mga klase ng scams, dahil siya may iba-iba. Pati yung mga pumipila dun sa yung mga older citizens sa our country na alam mo tatanggap ng content pension, nalado ka pa, may nakalululos. So, makita mo, kung kayo na buhay yung problema.
Right.
And I think even the Senate and Congress are talking about laws against online gambling.
And it hasn't stopped. At dito pa rin siya.
So, it's difficult kasi hindi mo rin alam kung sino sinasabi mo dyan. Diba? Kasi sindikato.
Malaking tao pala yan.
Yes, and it's the biggest, yun yung courage
Edge. Ganda ng mga tanong. Never ko talaga never ko naisip na maging director talaga kasi alam ko iba siya, ibang animal, kumbaga, ibang craft, ibang something that I did not really aspire to be, but at the same time, nung bata ko, I didn't really aspire to be an actor. Wala talaga yan sa ano ko, sa
Basketball ang gusto mo?
yes, basketball or papasok ko sa militar. Nasa dalawa lang yun. But of course, when an opportunity so good is handed to me, and it was handed to me 19 years naman in my career. So ako naman, wala naman ako film school na attended, but I'm a very observant person, and I listen to the directors and I see them how they work for the past 19 years. Not saying na nandun ako sa level nila, I have so much to learn, but itong first step talagang mas tumaas pa yung respeto ko sa nila because it's not an easy job. Mahirap siya. You are the captain of the ship. Ikaw yung leader. May pressure ka from the production, of course, kasi we're working with limited time.
Right.
Minsan yung location, minsan yung artista. So, when you put all of that together and the director has to produce something na at least quality sana, it's very hard. But I enjoyed my experience. Ang dami ko pong natutunan and I've learned a lot through this whole process at someone came to know.
Yung next part ng question niya is, ano yung mas nagustuhan mo o mas mahirap, umarte o mag-direct?
Sabay ko ginawa sa 2 or 3 araw na yun. Sabay ko ginawa kaya mahirap talaga. Isa sa mga gusto kong mangyari, gusto kong mag-direct in the future, but hindi na ako yung artista. I would like to do that kasi parang syempre gusto ko na i-test ko sa sarili ko. But they're different. Mahirap. Kumbaga siguro para sa isang director, tapos sabihin ng director parang hindi ko 40 umarte or parang mahirap din yan. Ganun din kapag yung actor ay papasok sa directing chair. It's hard. Mag-iba sila. Hindi porket magaling kang marunong kang umarte or magaling kang umarte, kaya mo mag-direct with 2 different things. But I think what I do have na natutunan ko sa mga magulang ko from nanay ko and from my dad, I think just being a natural leader, not for your ego, but to bring the team or to lead them, the cameraman, everybody has their own specialties. Yung writers, producers, cameramen, everyone. And I think I have a talent of bringing that together and making something good. So, yun lang yung tingin ko meron ako. But everything else, I believe will follow. And parang naman ako sponge. Napinis ako mag-absorb. And I love to learn.
And yung other question niya, who influenced you daw?
Who influenced me to direct? Wala naman kasi it was really spur of the moment, para medyo biglaan. But I do have mentors. Of course, the director Roy Payani has always been has been a mentor to me. And ang dami kong natutulungan with my limited time with FMR. And just sabi mo natin sa ibang cast, like there was so much that we learned from him and we keep learning from. So, alam ko sa sarili ko, I can't speak for the others, pero dala-dala ko yan. Kahit hindi ko na siya kasama. Just like dala-dala ko yung mga natutunan ko from other directors, like yung director Juan Mariani, alam ko moving forward, director brought me to another level. So, again, tulad na sinabi ko niya, kung hindi dahil sa support na binigay nila, tinalo pa nila ako sa set, and it really it boosted my confidence para mag-produce ng magandang produkto.
Thanks, Je. Our next set of